Today I'm going to demonstrate the many uses of the barrier film. The barrier film is used to protect any equipment or furniture that you are using. The barrier film comes in 1200 piece 4 inches by 6 inch squares, as you can see here. It is self-adhesive, so it sticks to any type of surface. But at the same time, it's not so adhesive to the point where it'll leave a residue on. I'm going to be demonstrating the use of it on my stainless steel tray. Because when you're tattooing and if you have, say for example, you have to get something in this stainless steel container, you don't want to contaminate it with blood or get it dirty with ink and so forth. So what you do is you'll place the barrier film on top before you tattoo. So when you're reaching for your equipment, at no point is your hand actually touching the stainless steel tray. And basically after you're done, because it's a self-adhesive tape, it comes right off. Quick and easy and painless. Most people that I know, they use this for their equipment, wash bottles. Also they place it on for let's say armrests or any areas that they seem that they want to protect the area more from. So there you go. Quick and easy.